Oh, I'm live. Okay. Hey there. I just wanted to showcase, what I have for my game that I'm making. Unofficial title, Magnet Boots game, but yeah, it's a work in progress. So I'm working on this game with one other person, and we've gotten pretty far into it actually. Um, yeah, I'm just sort of shouting into the wind. Hoping that, maybe someone will see this, maybe someone will enjoy it. This is totally unscripted, so yeah, I'm just gonna showcase it right now. So I have a login screen. Yeah, I've been following a bunch of tutorials. Yeah, just thought it might be cool to add, make it seem a little more official. I have a additional build over here that I just set up for you guys. So I'm going to log in here. Log in. Get a nice little loading panel. Yeah. And over here, I'm gonna log in as the user test123. The reason I'm doing this is because it is entirely networked. So even though I'm on the same network right now, you'll be able to play across different networks. That's what me and my partner did. So you can host a game, you can join a game. That I should probably fix that grammar. There are no rooms currently available at the moment. That's unimportant. You can get your stats, pull your stats. So right now I've just been testing it quite a bit. 7 kills, 9 deaths. That comes from right here, which I've debug logged it. I'm only allowed one string because I'm using a free version of a database. So I have to like separate it off by a tag and then pull the data from there. I'm curious to see what happens once the data gets a little too big. I think it should be fine though. For now, I'm definitely gonna upgrade it if I decide to port this to, I don't know, something. But you know what? Enough talk. I'm gonna host a game. Call this like Apple creates a room, creating room Apple with room for 8 players. Size is not currently available yet, or room size setting it up because I'm only allowed a maximum of 20 concurrent users on Unity networking at any given moment because Unity personal. Anyways, so you get a nice little pause menu, and the reason it does that is because Unity. I'm pressing escape, and like that's also Unity's editor thing, so it just does that. I'll show you the game mechanics in a little bit. You can fire, reload. Animations look terrible. Bombing animation. Okay, just gonna join right here. You can press join game. It loads. You can refresh. There's my game. Yeah, it shows you, flashes a little thing up. So, oh, I have this one muted. That's alright. But since this is muted on this end, you can hear it on my editor screen, just very faintly. Yeah, so sound is networked. The animations are not set up. My partner was testing it, so like they put it in a loop. But yeah, you can see that it works. Player models look horrendous. Huh. They're not too bad. But yeah, the player models we built ourselves. We used a HUD I did myself, which is why it looks so bad. Yeah, and the weapon model, that was not done by me. That was a free asset pack. That's from Brackeys, or given off by Brackeys, given away for free, or however much you want to pay for it. So yeah, this is yeah. Yeah, there's health system in place. You get a hit marker sound effect, but you can't hear it right now. Here, I'll go to other one. And then, nice little hit marker sound effect. And then you get your bullet count, your health count. Oops. Yeah. And it does like random damage from like between 7 and 13 from 100. So that's probably something I might want to fix. Maybe scale it off of distance or something. It's made off of raycasting, so like it shoots a raycast, and then if it hits, then it applies damage, calls an RPC that's synced across the network or across every player. Yeah, and then you have a scoreboard. Quite proud of that, actually. You have Slimy, which is the editor window, and scoreboard test 1, 2, 3, which is the one that I'm on right now that I'm moving around. And if I kill this guy, he sort of falls to the ground. We're gonna add a death animation soon. But yeah, we pretty much just implemented player models. If you hold down tab now, you get the scores and kills and deaths. Nothing really special. You get also that cool kill feed over there. Test 1, 2, 3 killed Slimy. There's no teams. It's sort of like Quake Deathmatch right now. But the reason I call it Magnet Boots game, or we call it Magnet Boots game, is because you can do an interesting mechanic here. I'm gonna bring my other guy to be able to see this. Yeah, that should be fine. You can walk on walls. Oh. Ta-da! Yay! Yeah, so you have magnet boots, you can disable it at any time and then just sort of fall off. Yeah, that was implemented by myself. Oh, where am I? Yeah. It's really disorienting too, and the camera sort of follows the player's rotation, so like it's really hard to aim if you're coming around a corner, so like you have to drag your mouse down or up in order to see that. But yeah. This level was designed by my partner. He did, I think, a really nice job for early stages. Yeah, there's a crap ton of post-processing on this. You can see like lens flare and stuff, and a massive amount of bloom because future. Yeah. So top left corner, you can see I'm toggling my boots on and off. That's definitely gonna need to be fixed. And if you fall down, oh, there's my player model. You match the direction of whatever you're standing on. I'm actually really proud of that, but I'm gonna need to fix it. Yeah, ammo. You can in order to make this a little easier design. Oh yeah, you can hear walking around. Yeah. You can pretty much everything is modular. You can change like the weapon spread, which I'm definitely gonna need to do because look at that accuracy. Like all the way over there, you're not gonna be able to hit anything. That kind of sucks, but you know, good enough for now. Good enough for early stages. We've been working on this for like a solid week now. Anything else I need to add? Oh yeah. You can leave the room easily just by pressing leave room, and then log it in as test 1, 2, 3. You can sign out, sign back in. You know, loading screen again. Get the data. Yeah. So this is my good account. I might want to keep this. Yeah, I'm using free database software, so all I'm storing right now is kills and deaths. Nothing too special. But yeah, I'm really excited for this game, and I hope you are, as the viewer. You are too. Even if you don't know me, even if you just stumbled on this by accident, even though you think my voice is really monotone. Really happy with how this turned out so far. We have a lot of assets that are like terribly organized, so like we're gonna need to clean that up. Yeah, here's all the scripts that I'm using. There's a lot of them. And then yeah, using database, so like window. It's called database control and it's the free version. I just get a database and then you can empty it. Yeah, so that's pretty much all. I hope you enjoyed. Right now this game is working. If you could call call it working. Just need to do a little animation work and call it, yeah, call it like a game. But that's not till a while, you know. Thanksgiving's coming up. It's actually tomorrow from the day we're recording this. And then I have school. I have to go back to school. So this is the week that I've been able to be really productive on it. So yeah, thank you for joining me. Thank you for bearing with me. Sorry I'm very boring. This is just completely unscripted and ad lib. So yeah, we're using Blender. Yeah, thank you. Hey there, I forgot to add, don't forget to like that smash button. Thanks again for joining me.